expecting heavy resistance. Better take the grenade launcher. They're behind us! Up ahead! Something blocking the road! Enemies in the road ahead! Not good! Not good! Behind us! They're behind us! There should be an ammo crate near. Enemy vehicle right in front of us! They're behind us! If we survive this checkpoint, we're home free! Don't believe what you hear on the radio, my friend. Opium is the true opiate of the masses. How can such a beautiful flower cause so much pain and suffering, I wonder? We used to have very strict drug laws. Not that anyone ever enforced them. I guess some things never change, huh?